Biglang yaman ka, Roxy. Instant millionaire.
Yeah.
All yours. Very beautiful to
Right. We are meant to throw this.
Oh, wow.
And blessed with fortune.
Ready,
One, two,
3, cheers!
cheers! And there's oh!
Pambayad kay Yogi. Pambayad kailangan.
Okay. Bye, guys.
It's another day in Siargao. It's actually not morning anymore. We've been up since a while ago. There's Googly, my favorite dog. Second to Scotty, of course. I hope you'll stick around with us. There's gonna be a before and after. I don't know if I'll be able to put that together. But today we're going off to my best friend's shop called Yogi, where Adela serves delicious vegan froyo and also non-vegan. She has coconut froyo and she also has froyo made from milk. Today's a special day because we're going to be helping her set up. Oops, I forgot. And for those of you who have seen my crazy sun gear attire, you know that I'm getting ready for that. People ask me how come I've managed to stay sort of fair, and it doesn't come easy. I definitely put sunblock, which is this. Minimum 50 SPF, sometimes 80 or 100, and then I cover my face like this. In a while I'm gonna turn into a ninja and you won't anymore see my face. So let's hit the road, Jack. What a lucky girl I am. Such a handsome rider. Welcome to Yogi. Oh my god, it looks so official.
Yeah.
Hello, welcome to Yogi. I really like the coconut more just because it has more citrusy flavor and I can taste the coconut. Good morning. We are about to bless Yogi, and we've got Father here who we're all waiting actually for everyone to come down. There's Tita Mary. So we will see what the blessing is like later. This is a very exciting morning for all of us.
Is well dressed.
For the blessing.
Hi, Father. Good morning. Susod nga sana ako ng...
What's cheaper?
I believe it.
Hindi, yung pinso. Okay na, Miguel. Miguel, meron na tayo.
Thirsty though.
Kailan pala natutulog siya? Meron pa si Roxy, nakareto na yung kanyang camera.
Yeah, documentary.
Everywhere.
Wow. Nasa isa.
Father, you don't need. Okay, 30 years old.
Paano yung mag...
Oo nga, naman sign of the cross.
Okay.
Yung tao mo, wala. Para di ba?
Somebody
In the name of the Father,
Father,
and
and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit.
Holy Spirit,
We are now sprinkling holy water, or blessing it with holy water.
Dito yung mga program mo. Yan.
Go all the way inside. Always fast. It's very fast. Mabilis niya.
Yogi.
Biglang yaman ka, Roxy. Instant millionaire.
Yeah.
All yours. Very beautiful to
Right.
Snacks.
We are meant to through this.
Oh, wow.
And blessed with fortune.
Ready, one,
One, two,
three, cheers!
cheers! And there's oh!
Pambayad kay Yogi. Pambayad kay Darren.
Okay. Bye guys.
Right, what is for brunch? Okay, there's a lot for brunch. Okay.
Sila ba sila kumain? Sila kumain.
Pakainin niyo yun, no? Yung mga lalamanin nyo.
And we have pancit, or noodles for long life, or long success.
Long successful life.
Yes.
Okay, there we go. And of course, rice is life. We will not find Filipinos with no rice. That is impossible. Yeah. Kaon na ta. Alright, so far so good. There's a lot of people in the shop, so I'm really happy about that. And hopefully there will be more later as the grand opening progresses. Oh. Good morning.
Good afternoon.
It's-
Magandang tanghali.
Yeah, we always start our mornings late because, you know, we're on island time. Actually, some people start their mornings really early when they're on island time, but I just wanted to show you our view, and I hope this GoPro is catching it. It doesn't look like it's getting it, but The ocean is right there and it's so beautiful. We are at a place called Greenhouse, and this is one of my favorite places to go to because you can enjoy a delicious meal overlooking the ocean, but there's a glare, so I'm sorry if you can't see the ocean so well. Right now I'm having a coconut cold brew, which is really strong coffee with coconut milk, and because it has coconut, it's really sweet. And Eddie's having a, what are you having?
Latte.
Yeah, a warm latte, which is definitely delicious, but not my thing because when it's quite warm in Siargao, I do like my drinks cold. And I also love that they use native materials like this and a coconut shell for the napkin holder. I'll keep you posted with what we order, but basically this is just such a nice place to hang out in if you're looking for a nice beachfront restaurant that's pretty quiet. There's nobody here and it's lunchtime. It is literally, what time do you have?
20 past 12.
Yeah, it's 20 past 12 or 12:20 in the afternoon. This is lunchtime and nobody's here. So if you want to find a place that's intimate and quiet and relaxing, that's beachfront, head over to Greenhouse. Again, this is not a sponsored video at all. I just wanted to share with you our experience and where you can go in case you're looking for a place like this.
So we're here together.
What?
We're here together, just enjoying, just to film.
Oh, this is not even where we came from. Yeah, we came from here, I think. Yeah, we did, I swear. It's a very nice, I think this is part of the greenhouse accommodations. It's so nice, Libby, look. Okay, there's a pathway there. Yeah, that's where we came from. You just have to go through.
Right.
Yeah, here. Woohoo. Eddie the Tarzan. It's so nice because the accommodations are super hidden. Here's another one too, and the beach front. Wow. That's nice. I guess this is where the water flows. No? When it rains. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. We're kind of lost, literally, but wow. I really don't mind booking here. Greenhouse accommodations are actually really nice. Jeez, look at that. Okay, well. Ooh, handsome man. Okay. Alright, cutie. Let's go. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that is the sound of Kuya Sonny hammering away. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. We really haven't slept all night because the mother mouse or rodent has given birth, and so at night we hear baby squeaks like that because of the little baby. I should know the term for baby mice. I'm sorry if you're foggy. It's really cold in the room. Lapi, do you know the word for baby mice?
No, yeah.
I don't.
Pops is the English word.
What is it?
Pops.
Pubs.
Pops. P-U-P-S.
Oh,
like
pops,
puppies.
like puppies.
Yeah,
Okay.
pops.
sorry, you're blurry again.
It was in the film we watched the other night.
Pups,
That's
alright,
why.
so there's a lot of pups or yeah, baby mice inside our ceiling. And so right now we are all waiting in anticipation to see what that actually looks like once yeah. Just FY, what's that?
It's not scaring them anyway.
Yeah. Woo. Just FYI, if you plan to stay in Siargao, this is like one of the things you kind of deal with, and it's not just in this resort, it's practically the whole island. I don't know why, but Neeps, our little baby here. Hey, little Neepsy. It's a little Neepsy. Right, I think now is a good time because the person who was staying here actually checked out. He checked out probably because of the mice. And I think I want to show you what it looks like. It's actually a really nice room. And let's turn on the lights so you can see more. I think these are the only lights available. Yeah, so you've got the bed here. Contrast to our bed in the other room, which is like further out here. This one is by the door. And I can see some leaks here from the AC. Or I don't know where it's coming from, but definitely an older AC. Our room has a newer AC and it's very silent, so you get to sleep better at night. Okay, sorry, I was like looking at the yeah, I really like the aesthetics. Hello, I don't even want to know how I look like because this mama hasn't slept the whole night. I really like this touch too. It's like a table, and I mean it is a table that's overlooking this view. Let's see what it looks like. Let me open everything up here. There's a divider here, so we can't actually open it there. This has to go here. And let's see what the view is like if you are having a nice cup of tea here in the morning. That is very nice actually. I really like it. At the moment the stove isn't working, but I think it will be fixed. There's a fridge. It's quite nice actually, a good amount of space. Your basic utensils. Yeah, and that's what it looks like if you choose to stay here. And the door and the room next door. Okay, toilet. This is the light that I was seeing from our toilet. Definitely a much older shower. I definitely prefer our shower. Yeah. It actually smells quite moldy. It's probably from the humidity. Yeah, I don't know. I think I do want to leave this on so that the humidity goes away, but oh yeah, I can smell the mold for sure. But anyway, I really like the aesthetics. I like the way it looks. Nice tiles as well. And oh, let's see, moment of truth. Oh, it's quite blocked. Ooh, it is blocked out. Right, that is a shitload of mothballs.
Lagay mo. Doon sa taas daw.
This is something that we used in my grandma's house. They're called mothballs, and they're meant to be used for the toilet to get rid of the moths. But I know they're also good for the mice. And we're gonna see now where we're gonna put that. Okay, I'll tell you later. There's a little gap here.
No, you can make it all.
Yeah. No, there is there. Do you see that? Oh, yeah. Do you see that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's...
Even there, may gap dun. Sa corner. I think we need a proper ladder for that so that we can reach it much better. What? What if, Kuya Sunny, dito na lang tayo gumawa ng booth. Ayan, kita pa siya, oh. Oh. Okay, I'll keep you guys updated later. Moment of truth. There's there's a gap all the way on the highest bit if you see there. Ayan, I think hindi ba yan yun?
Ano yan? Papunta doon?
Oo. Yan, mas malapit.
Pasok sila.
Okay, hopefully this will be a problem solved and not. We might have to get a refund and check out. Hopefully that's not the case. Okay.
But,
Okay, mako. Oh, mahirap. Wow. Candy. They might think it's candy. Kaso kailangan i-ano talaga, no? Hagis.